My friend, this is a story about a boy who was 8 years old, stayed in a villa that had a beautiful garden. The boy would occasionally go out amongst the flowers in the garden and play along with butterflies. Soon he befriended a butterfly. So he asked the butterfly, "You're so beautiful, you're so colorful, you're so good, and all and all." So the butterfly told him once that, "You know what? I was an egg earlier, and when the egg was hatched and I became a caterpillar, I had to come out of that egg. I had tremendous pain while doing so because different parts of the egg were pointed while it was getting hatched, and they were running into me, my body, and there were a lot of things happening, a lot of pain I had to undergo while that process was happening." So boy was really moved by that. In the next season, the boy again went to the garden and saw a caterpillar was evolving out of the egg. So what the boy did, he realized his friend's discussion last time. He hatched open the egg and told the caterpillar, "Here you are free, my friend, go, completely evolve now." And caterpillar started shouting on that boy, "You idiot! You have stopped my evolution from here." The boy asked him, "But your ancestor told me that there was a lot of pain that you had to undergo during this process, so I have eased out your pain." So the caterpillar said, "Dear boy, you are such a stupid character, because when I evolve out into a caterpillar from that egg stage, the pains which are faced by me psychologically and my body in a physical manner secretes and orchestrates certain enzymes in my body which are necessary for my development, and they are the ones that create the basic constituents of the colors that I am famous for. By not making me face that pain, you have stopped my evolution. I will never ever be able to grow into a beautiful butterfly." Dear friends, whenever we are going through a change in our life, there will certainly be a pain. And there are many well wishers we think of who want to ease out this pain. But believe you me, sustain that pain, because when you evolve out of that painful process, you will be a beautiful, adorable, admirable butterfly. Be ready to face the pain and evolve into a butterfly rather than to stay a caterpillar and avoid the pain. Wish you the very best.